Hello and welcome to Future Cookie. I want to talk to you today about something that could quietly change the future of medicine forever. What if the cure for your disease was already inside you? What if it was waiting to be safely unlocked? For decades, scientists have dreamed of rewriting genetic code. The biggest fear was simple. What if the edit slips? What if we change the wrong thing? What if the mistake is permanent? That fear has slowed everything. Until now, a new form of CRISPR has arrived. It does not touch your DNA at all. Imagine holding the most powerful editing tool in history, but every use carries a risk. A small but real risk of changing the wrong word. In a book you can never reprint. That has been the story of traditional CRISPR. Extraordinary power, permanent consequences. Scientists and patients have lived inside that tension for years. Now picture a different tool, one that edits the temporary copy, not the original blueprint. You make the change, you see the result, and if something goes wrong, you can let it fade. That is the world RNA editing is opening right now. Here is what the science actually shows. Your DNA is your master blueprint. It is stored deep inside every cell, but DNA does not act alone. When your body needs to build a protein, it first creates a working copy. That copy is called messenger RNA. Think of DNA as the original manuscript, locked in a vault. Messenger RNA is the photocopy your cells actually work from. Traditional CRISPR edits the vault. The new RNA targeting CRISPR variants edit the photocopy instead. Systems like Cas-Rx work this way. The vault stays completely untouched. And here is what makes researchers genuinely excited. Messenger RNA is temporary by nature. It degrades, it cycles out of the body. An RNA edit does not last forever. The original blueprint is never touched. That built-in reversibility is unique. Early research also shows fewer off-target effects. Fewer unintended changes in places scientists did not aim for. That is not a small detail. Off-target edits have been one of the most serious safety concerns for years. Reducing them matters enormously. Now let us be honest about where this actually stands. Most of this work is still in early stage and preclinical research. We are not at the finish line, but the direction is clear. The scientific community is paying very close attention. So why does this matter to you? Right now, sitting here, think about the diseases that touch your family. Genetic neurological conditions, certain cancers, rare diseases with no treatment. RNA editing opens a potential path where permanent DNA changes felt too risky. It offers a way to test, to adjust, to dial the biology rather than bolt it in place forever. This also accelerates the possibility of personalized medicine, treatments tuned to your specific cellular behavior, not just a general population average. The idea moves meaningfully close, and there is a deeper signal here. The story of gene editing used to be binary. Edit or do not edit, permanent or nothing. RNA tools introduce nuance. They introduce iteration. They bring biology closer to the way great engineers think. Prototype, test, refine, improve. That shift in philosophy may matter as much as any single discovery. What we are witnessing is not just a headline. It is a direction, a long arc research bending toward treatments that are safer. There will be challenges ahead. Delivery mechanisms, immune responses, regulatory pathways, scale. None of that disappears. But the ceiling of what is possible just moved higher. And the floor of acceptable risk just moved in the right direction too. Here is what the question I want to leave with you. What becomes possible in medicine when the fear of getting it permanently wrong starts to shrink? That is not rhetorical. That is the actual frontier. Scientists are working on it in laboratories right now. The answers they find in the next decade will reshape what doctors can offer, what patients can hope for, to treat disease at its source. You just learned something most people will not hear about for years. The future is being written one RNA strand at a time. And now you understand exactly why that matters. Thank you for joining us today. This is Future Cookie.